Okay, so today we are going to download the contents of S3 blob storage using a AWS CLI. Now we already have it installed on our system, right? So just go to buckets on the left hand side. Do you see the first link? Yes, correct. So this is what we need now. Can you please open this link which I have provided? No, the link which I have provided. Or maybe you don't need to open. I will guide you. No problem. Just open CMD.
Yeah, sure.
And we need to first run the command AWS space configure, which we had done previously also, which configures the profile, right? Yeah. So here we need to provide access ID. So go to your dashboard. Yeah, on the right hand side, yes. Go to the security credentials, perfect. And yeah, just scroll down here. Correct. So we have got the two access IDs right now, but we need to create one more because we won't be able to retrieve the secret key of the access IDs which we have previously created. So just go up there would be a button to create an access ID.
Yeah, generally we should have this button. We used to create it from here only.
Correct. Can you, okay, no problem. Can you go to your C colon?
You want me to go to this?
Yeah, C colon, go to the C colon. Maybe if you have already configured it, see users, your users folder there, and your user.aws, the first one I think. Yeah, and go to the credentials file, open it in the notepad. Right, so you already have it, so that's fine, no problem. So we don't need to configure it again. Okay, now I will send you one more command, and yes, so just have a look at the chat. So you need to change the URL of that. So which I'll tell you. Just do Control C here first. Yeah, and yes, just a minute. Don't hit enter. Just a minute. Go to the dashboard. S3 bucket dashboard. Now go to the S3 here, from here in the search. Just type S3. Correct. Now just go inside that S3 bucket. Correct. Just a minute. Go to the properties, or go to the access tokens. Just a minute. Go to the access tokens, access points. I mean the last one. Okay, here we do not have any URL. Okay, I'm just looking out for the URL. Go to the properties. This is a ARN. No, we don't need ARN. Actually, we need the URL to access this blob storage. Go to the objects. So here you will see the objects. Just a second. Just do copy S3 URI. Do you see the first one? Yes, exactly. Just put it there in place of that example dash data, right? So just remove it and paste. and you can remove that .pdf. Just remove this also. Just keep the name of the blob storage. Yeah, that's it. Slash. Just keep that forward slash at the end. Perfect. And hit enter. Correct. So see, it has downloaded all the contents from your blob storage in your current directory. All the 3 files it downloaded in your current directory, that is C user Samsung. Go to the C user Samsung. And here you should see all those 3 files being downloaded. Correct. Now this is the way you can download the contents. Another thing is we are going to download a particular file. So instead of downloading all the contents, let's download the particular file.
Okay. So like, what's the meaning of this command? Like it's used.
It's AWS. Okay. It's AWS is the AWS CLI first of all.
Yeah.
Then S3. We are using S3 service. CP stands for copy.
Okay.
Then that is the URL of our bucket S3:/ Ramya storage bucket. So that is the name URL of our storage. And after that there is a dot. So dot stands for current directory. So copy, CP always have 2 arguments. One is the source, another is destination. So our S3 URL is the source and that dot, a current directory, is the destination. And recursive, meaning if you have any folders into it, so the folders along with their contents, subfolders along with their contents, everything would be copied.
Okay. All the contents are copied. This will be a recursive.
Along with the directories and subdirectories and all.
Okay.
Right. Now let's download a particular file. So let's create a blank directory first. So just go to the file explorer there.
Okay.
And you can create a blank directory anywhere. Like here also you can create any blank directory. Say S3 contents or something like that.
Yeah.
Now just go inside, copy the name of this directory, or the entire path also you can copy the entire path.
Okay.
Now from there also you can copy it, right? So okay, copy path, go to the command prompt, just do cd and into the double quotes just paste this path. Yes, enter. Now we are inside this directory. Now we can download any of the file from a blob storage here. So let's have this command. S3 cp. Now go to the dashboard and now get the URI of a particular content. Just select something. And just do copy S3 URI. Yes. And just paste it there in place of that URL over there. Just remove that URL from here and put the URL which you have copied. Yes, and just remove that recursive because it's not a directory, it's a simple file. So remove this -- recursive. Yes, just remove the space which is at the end. Correct, and hit enter. Now it will, in the current directory, it will download this particular file. Correct. Now you can go to that directory and you can check that file is downloaded there. Correct. So the file is downloaded. So this is the way you can download the content from the S3 blob storage. Either all the contents from the S3 blob storage you can download, or the particular one. Okay. Then let's check the uploading now.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Content on S3. I'm giving you a command. Okay, can you just do one thing by the time? Just go to the CMD and just type AWS plus S3. Sorry, I didn't mean plus, I meant space. AWS space S3 space dash dash help. So just to check like what commands we have in this S3. Okay, up arrow and just remove that dash dash help and keep only AWS space S3. Yet hit enter. Okay, so sub command. Just a second, I'm just checking out the options. I just wanted to check out the options there, but never mind. I'll just get it from the official document. Just a minute. Okay. So you need to use the cp command only, but the other way around. I mean, I'll tell you like what. Let's go to the like create one file. Let's create one file in this directory and have some content there. Just new file. Let's create a new file here in this directory. Go to the new and yeah, text document. Just give some name to this. Let's have some data into it. Correct. Let's have some data. Okay. Now let's save this. Now go to the command prompt there. Now we have to execute the same cp command. So AWS space S3 space cp. Now our source would be that file. Let's go to that file and get its path. Yeah, let's copy the path of this. Yeah, paste it here. Perfect. Space. And then let's get the URI of our S3 blob storage, which we have got it in that command which is there. Yeah, you can copy it from here also. Paste it. Correct. Just remove that, the name of that file, and just have it till that / there. Yes. Just have the / there. Yes. And let's hit enter. So it has uploaded. Now let's go to the blob storage. And let's refresh this, and you should have that file uploaded here, the fourth. Yes, so you have it here, right? So this is how you can upload. So upload is again the cp command. Just the source would be your local file, destination would be your bucket while uploading, and while downloading it would be in the reverse order. The source would be your bucket and the destination would be your local path. It's as simple as that, right? And you can list also. You can list the contents of your.
If I wanted to upload multiple files at once, then
So yeah, you can do that. Like you can say, let's do that. If you want, let's create one more file there, two more files there in that directory, and let's upload them on directory. You can do that. That's not a problem.
yeah, sure.
Correct. Now let's get the path of this. Yes, so now correct. Now cp and yeah, you can provide the name of the file.
So like I wanted to upload all the files, right? So can I just provide the name of the folder instead
Yeah,
of
you can absolutely. So you can
yes, this
provide
is
the
the
folder.
name.
Correct. And just say recursive at the end. No, just remove that S3 from there
Yeah.
and space dash dash recursive. Enter. Yeah, so it's uploaded. You can go and check. Right?
Yeah. So total
All the contents
CC
are uploaded.
files. Yeah, 4 from now and previously created files are already there. Just now these are uploaded.
Correct.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Okay.
Right. Now this is how you can download and you can upload also onto the S3. Now let's go to the Azure permission.
Yeah, sure.
So let's go to the Azure and create the block the storage there also. So just sign in. So oh, you must be having their sign in button or just look for Azure portal sign in. Yes. Correct. Now just type there blob storage in the search. Type there blob storage. Storage accounts. No, storage accounts. Correct. So here let's create a let's click on this store create storage account there. Correct. So this is the subscription what you have, the resource group what you have. Just scroll down. Yeah, just give some name to the storage account. It should be in the small case. Correct. Let's scroll down a bit.
Yeah. This is the last.
Okay, next. Go to the next. Correct. So here we don't need to do any modifications. Absolutely fine. Let's go to the next. Enable public access. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the next. Yeah, so here you can see this is the cleanup policy. Do you see that? Enable, delete and all those things there, those have been mentioned there, right? So these are the cleanup policies. So after these many days, the data would be deleted. Yeah, let's go to the next. Here encryption, that's fine. Go to the next. Yeah, here if you want to mention any tags, so we can. So basically tags are for like just to understand who has created this, why that person has created this storage. So this is for every resource which we create, just to give some more information about the resource created, nothing else. It doesn't have anything to do with the functioning of that particular resource or even access of that particular resource. Just this is just a metadata or additional data about the resource. Let's click on next. Yeah, it is validating now. Just wait for a minute. Yeah, let's click on create. Correct. So it will create a storage account, and then inside the storage account we can create the containers. Containers meaning these are not the Docker containers. Container is just the terminology to which is used to which is used to refer to the folder, maybe you can say, in the storage account. Yeah, let's wait. Yes, so it has been created. Let's go to that. Let's click on that go to resource button. Correct. Now you can see this is the these are the details of that particular container. Sorry, that storage account. Now go to the containers. Do you see on the left hand side there is a link containers? Correct. Right, so here you can create container. Let's click on the container and let's give the name as my data or something like that. Correct, and let's click on create. Now in this you can maintain your data. In this my data, so you can upload the files. Yeah, yes, so you can browse the files and you can upload it using this. And just click on that upload button. Correct, so the data is uploaded. Now just a second. Now perfect, now you have uploaded the file. Now you can upload or even download. Now for download, just select the button, select the checkbox, any of the checkbox, and there you should see a download button. Download, yes, correct. So this is how you can download. Just check that out. Yeah, okay. Now let's go to that dashboard again. Correct. Now to do these things using Azure CLI. Azure CLI also we can do these things. So just Yeah, go here and I'll tell you the command. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm telling you the command. Okay. So yes, so we have already created the container and all. Uh, hmm. Okay, so I am giving you the command for this. Yes, I have given you the command. This one, the one. Yeah. Just copy this command in some notepad. Let's do the modifications there and then we will run it. Yeah. So the first thing is Azure storage blob upload. So we want to upload. Then we have to give the name of the account. So just go to your dashboard of that blob storage. Yeah. So let's check the name of the account. It's I think Ramya storage. No, not that account. No. We are not talking about that account. Storage account. Just click on that link there. No, just go to the home. Just click on that home link. Home. Yes. Go to the storage accounts. Do you see the storage accounts? Correct. So this is the name of your storage account. So just copy this name. Yeah. Go there in that file and just replace it with that. No, not there. No. Account name. After that, there is an into the angular bracket storage account, right? So we have to just remove those angular brackets. Just a minute, just a minute. Yes, so just sorry. Yeah, so just yeah, storage account. After that, we have to give the container name. So just go to the dashboard again. Yeah, just click on that storage account. Correct. Go to the containers. Just copy the name of the container. My data, yes. And remove the angular brackets, those. Perfect. And then dash name, my file txt is fine. And now do you see that dash file there? So after that you have to, yeah, after that dash file, in place of that my file.txt, you have to give the path of the file which you want to upload. Okay, so you can give any the path of any of the file which you want to upload. Correct. Go there. Just put a path there. Perfect. Let's copy this whole command and put it into the.
Okay. So like, what is this my file.txt?
So this name would you will see there to this particular file. The name would be changed after uploading it over there.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So let's run this command from your, yes, put it here. Yeah, paste anyway. Okay, it is not taking the multi-line commands. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to that notepad where we have created this command. Let's take all these things in single line. Just hit backspace and get it on the, yeah, just remove that slash. Yes, let's take everything on the first line. Yes, this one also. Correct. Now let's copy this command, the whole command, and put it into the command prompt. Let's remove this. Yes. Paste. Hit enter. You don't have Azure CLI?
I have to.
Had installed it, right? If I remember it.
Yeah.
Okay, not a problem. We can install it again if you don't have. I'm not sure whether we have installed it or not. I think we had not, because we had done all the things, like we created the VM. After that we created the ACR, right? And I think after that, yeah, we did all those things using Docker and all. So we don't have the AZ. So we never got any, we didn't get any chance to use Azure CLI before. No problem. Let's go to the Chrome and let's download the Azure CLI. Yeah, let's type download Azure CLI. Yes. Let's scroll down. No, that is not the link. Let's scroll down. Correct. Install Azure CLI for Windows. Yes. Correct. So just scroll down. Yes. Here it is. Correct. Yes. Click there. Yeah, it is being downloaded. Let's wait. Go to the browser. We can check the, yes, just click on that download button there, which points towards the downwards pointing there. Yeah, correct. So it is downloaded. Let's go there in the downloads folder and let's install this. You can double click on this. Correct. Let's agree and let's install. Yeah. then you need to do first AZ login, meaning your Azure CLI should have the access to your account, right? I thought initially that you already have the Azure CLI, so I didn't ask you to run that AZ login, but now we will do it. So it's equivalent to our AWS configure. So AWS configure configures your access in the credentials file, right? So similarly, AZ login configures your login details, and then you would be able to access the services.
Okay.
Yeah, let's click on this finish button. Let's restart the command prompt. We need to restart it. Yes, open the new one, and let's first do AZ space login after opening the command prompt. Yeah, AZ space login. Yes, let's wait. It will, yeah, it will take you here. Now log in again to your account. Correct. So you are logged in now. So that's absolutely perfect, because you already have the session, right? So it took all the details from that session itself. Now just run that command which we have created in the notepad. Go to the notepad. Yes, copy this command and put it here. Enter. Okay. Just a minute, storage block, data owner, contributor. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the storage and just go up a bit. Here, just a minute. Do you see anything like IAM? No, not here, not inside the containers, but inside the storage account actually. Yeah, go there in that storage account there. So you are there on the storage account. Click there in the storage account. No, click on that storage account there. No, not there. Click on that storage account link. Correct. Just a minute.
We have access control.
Access control. Yes. So view my access. Just check that. Just click on that view my access. So you are the owner. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, now let's create an access here. Just close this and just go to the role assignments there. No, not here. Just go up. There is a role assignment. So you have the role. Okay, just a minute. Let me just check. Okay, can you go to that command prompt once? I just want to see that error. Yeah, just a minute. Acha, auth mode. Acha, understood. And key value. Okay, just a second. Just do up arrow and just remove that auth mode dash auth mode, that parameter, even that login also, of course, this login, and hit enter. Correct. So it is done. Okay, now go to the container. actually due to that auth mode login, it was not taking your credentials which we had configured. Just go inside this my data, and now you can see, right, your files being uploaded here.
Yes.
Correct. So now similarly you can download also. So for download, let me give you the command.
Okay, so here I mentioned only one file, right? But all the files are uploaded.
No. Initially you had uploaded few files from the dashboard, if you remember.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
That time you had uploaded few files, and now you just uploaded single file, right? You can check the content there. Yeah. So the ones which are there, like second, third, fourth, and fifth, those files you had uploaded from the UI.
Yes.
And this one you have uploaded from the CLI. Now let's download the file. I am sending you one command. Yes. Let's copy this command, put it into the notepad, do the changes, and then we will execute this. Yeah. It's very identical to upload command. Yeah. Let's put it there. Yeah. Let's take everything in the single line.
Maybe once I do the changes, I'll do.
Yeah. Okay. After that also you can take it. No problem. So let's get those details here as well. Remove those angular brackets. Those are just to indicate the placeholder. Those angular brackets. Correct. And now, go there. Go there. On that link.
Just wanted to get the folder here.
Okay. No problem. Yeah, just put this path into the double quotes. Don't forget to put it into the double quotes. Correct. And just remove this auth login mode. Yes, let's get this everything on the single line.
Yeah. So even while downloading also.
So you need to know this is the name of the file which you want to download. So the name should be of the file which you have there in your container.
Okay.
Let's get this everything on the single line and run it. Yes, let's copy this. Just a minute. What it is saying? File is expected, not a directory. Understood. Just use up arrow and download. Just a minute. I got the error. Azure Ramya. Okay. After that, just put one more backward slash at the end. After that, name of the folder, which you no inside the double quotes, of course, not after the double quotes. Inside the double quotes, and you have to give some name also. It looks inside the double quotes slash and give some name. Let's say my file.txt, something like that.
But we have already mentioned the name here.
No, this name is This name is the source name, which file from the container you want to download is what this name is, not the name it will take on the destination path. Are you getting my point, what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
So yeah, so let's keep some name here. Yes, correct. Let's hit enter. Blob not found. Okay, the specified blob does not exist is what it says. Okay, can you go to your container? Just a second. My data. Can you just click on those three dots there, which we see there on that my file txt? Three dots on the right hand side for this entry. Yeah, just a second. My file.txt, is it my file? F is capital, it's suppose, right? I'm not able to see that the name properly from here when the screen is
Yeah, so if is capital.
Yeah, so can you just check what you have mentioned here?
Yeah, it is also capital again.
My file.txt. Okay. Just a second, let me check. There is some small mistake here. And it says the specified blob does not exist. Blob does not exist. Okay. Just a second. Okay, just a second. Okay, can you go to those three dots again for that particular file on the dashboard? Properties, do you see any properties? Yes. Okay, now do you see that URI? Just copy it and put it in the notepad. Yeah, somewhere here. Just put it. Okay, now my data, my file.txt.
Oh, sorry. I think it should be my file 1.txt.
Correct. And you mentioned my file.txt. Exactly. That's the problem. Yes, just come back, like just hit, just.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I'll just delete everything and copy again.
Yes. Yeah, hit enter.
You want me to put that?
That's fine. Let's check with this first. Invalid argument, it says. Okay. Just a second. What it says? Can you just do up arrow one more time? I didn't get this error actually. My file, and can you just put the name after that? No, after that slash, inside the double quotes, put the name of the file again, the way you put it previously. Yeah, put some name. Yes, hit enter. Yes. Now let's go there. And where did you? No, it's not here in this directory, right? It's in some different directory. You mentioned the path of some different directory. Download from Azure Ramya. That is the directory you should check in. Correct. So you have it, right?
Yes.
Perfect.